This is Barnett Caudle with a turkey season preview of Michael Caudle.
Howdy.
Do you think this will be a good season?
Well, it should be. We've had 2 mild winters in a row. You know, I think it should be a pretty good one.
Have you done any scouting?
Yeah, I've been out a little bit. I've not heard any gobbling yet, but seen a lot of signs. It looks like we've got a pretty good number of turkeys around here, and it should be pretty good.
What kind of calls do you use?
Well, I use pot calls. You know, the one that uses the mouth calls, diaphragm calls, is standing behind you. But basically, I can only use these. These are the only ones I can use. And I got a Primo's Jackpot and a Nightingale White Lyre.
How do you hunt in the mountains?
Go up the woods. No, you get up, you go. The way I do it, I always try to locate them the night before, and I get on ridges and try to call them up to me. You know, I don't use a blind or anything, but I just try to locate them the night before and call them uphill.
What kind of gun and ammo do you use?
I hunt with a Mossberg 500, and I just use cheap Winchester 3-inch Magnum turkey loads.
With a Vector choke tube, what is your effective range?
I'd say probably 40 yards. It shoots a pretty good pattern at 40 yards.
Do you use decoys?
If I'm hunting like on a logging road or something like that, I'll use decoys, but other than that, I don't use it out in the woods. What I can do with it. See, it don't sound the best in the world. We'll get it right here in a minute. You can edit this out, can't you?
Maybe, maybe not.
Thank you, sir.
This is a HS Strut Black Magic, and this striker, I don't know where it comes from.
Thank you, sir, for your demonstration, and we appreciate it.